I'm Emily Mallory of Emily's Papercrafts. You've probably noticed that I've taken a few weeks off from doing my usual first and third Monday videos to focus on my book, which I'm hoping to bring out later this year. So if you've missed the last couple of my videos back in early February regarding my animals for the alphabet book, go back and watch those because that'll give you a good clue what I'm working on. They're pretty time intensive when you're making the full alphabet. Anyway, during the last couple of weeks, I've noticed I hit 100 subscribers. So thank you so very, very much for adding to my popularity and deciding to follow me every time I bring out a video. So as a way of saying thank you, I am putting everything on my website store at 30% off for all of March 2022. So use this coupon code for the rest of this month to get 30% off of your order as well as free shipping. I hope to look forward to getting to know you through some orders and resuming my videos very, very soon.